Well, here we are on chest number
Five.
five. Okay,
With
yes, thanks for
YouTube
keeping
today.
track.
With
Yes,
YouTube today.
yes.
Weather Together.
On
Here
Wednesday.
at KGWN TV from Cheyenne,
Yes.
Wyoming.
E-
Oh, I'm
Even
echoing
though it
here.
is
Don't want that.
Thursday,
It is Thursday, but we're doing a test.
yes, testing. We're, right.
Yeah.
We're getting close to the end of the week.
Yeah. So for those of you who don't know, this is about weather
Yes,
with you guys.
yes.
Information, trivia, fun times. You can chat with us, answer questions, comments, and it's just overall fun thing to participate.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. And this is Wade Harris.
I'm Wade. This is Carl.
I'm Carl.
Yeah.
So there you have it.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we have a moderator that you aren't able to see behind the scenes, Brittany.
Brittany. She is the queen of broadcasting.
Yeah.
She's one of our directors.
She is. That's
Yeah, and she keeps us in line.
as much as she can.
Yeah. And she's
She
telling
keeps
us.
me in line.
Yeah, she's telling us to move on to talk about weather. So,
Yeah.
you have here a drought monitor map, and
Right.
we have significant rain in some areas that have helped a little bit, right?
Yes, yes.
Or a long
So
ways to go in some places maybe, but better than nothing.
I agree. So this is just a way to keep track of kind of the moisture in the soil across the U.S., where we need, and the extra rain, where we've been dry for a while. And there are some places that are muchly improved. Is that a word? Muchly?
Muchly, it is now.
It's a
Yes,
word
it's
now.
a Carl word.
It might be a Scrabble
It's
word.
under
in
the Carl
fact.
dictionary.
Yeah.
Right there. So it's true.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. So it just kind of depicts the amount of moisture that we've had, the improvements. And as we go forward, you'll recognize this, kind of see how this is. The extreme cold, the extreme drought places, hard to believe that they would be on the East Coast, but that soil's real sandy, so it loses the moisture quickly. So it's hard to keep a lot of moisture in that soil. Up to the Central Plains, the mid plains, we don't see a lot of drought. Into the west and northwest, we have been dry. We continue to be dry, but we have had some storms, so that has been good for us.
Yes, it has.
Yeah.
We got up this morning, it was like 55 here.
Right. So we're
Nice.
in kind of that pattern where that cool, those cool conditions and that wet weather really has affected us. You kind of notice it here as it's making its way through. The green is rain, orange, any kind of other colors are where stronger storms are a little bit more active. And this is real time looking forward into the future. So a future cast, if you will, where we're going to see the most rain and the most moisture, kind of in conjunction with how we were before as far as what we've got going on. Central Plains tends to be a kind of a collection for some of these storms, as that heat through the central portion of the U.S. and the humidity coming up from the south, it all gets appointed there, and that's why it's so lush in the mid-south and across the south. And
Speaking of south, Carl, South Carolina has had some major flooding issues because of the remnants of Debbie, right?
Right, and that's going to be the case for a while. Lots of moisture on that eastern seaboard coming up from the south, moving to the north. That'll be the case for us as we go forward. So severe weather, that's kind of where we're at the moment, where the most rainfall is, some of the strongest weather up through that Atlantic seaboard. And we're seeing that in the Carolinas, West Virginia, up into New York and beyond.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So, it kind of gives us an idea. And this is part of why we're doing this, to give you a national overview, let you know kind of what's going on. And in the meantime, entertain you as much as possible, which that's really his job.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Yeah. Well, do we have like an outlook for what fall's going to look like for most of the area? Is it going to be later in some areas of the U.S.? Is it going to be normal that the time that it's going to arrive? Or
so I will make a map. That's what these tests are for, to get us kind of going forward.
Yeah.
But the leaves are already starting to turn in the northwest and here in Wyoming also.
without us even realizing it.
So the fall,
Yeah.
fall is
Yeah.
basically, this is telling us fall's here.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
All right, cool. All right. Well, speaking of entertainment.
Yes, all right, what
All right.
do you got for us?
I got some weather jokes.
Okay, oh, all right, that'll be fun.
I got some weather jokes. Now,
Uh-huh.
keep in mind, these are kid jokes, but you and I we're kids anyway. So
Yes, we
we'll
are.
think it's
We were
funny.
just talking about how youthful we are and
Yeah.
juvenescent.
Right. All right, here's one. How do hurricanes see?
How do hurricanes see?
Yeah. Brittany, do you know how to hurricane see? AJ, do you know how to hurricane
We
see?
have a live
I
studio
can't say I
audience
do.
also.
Yes, we do have a live studio audience.
I
Yeah.
arrived.
Through their eye.
Close. With one eye.
With one eye. No, thank you. Okay. Dissipating eye.
Right.
The reforming of the eye.
What does a cloud wear under his coat?
Thunder pants.
Underwear.
Thunderwear.
Underwear. Yeah.
All right.
What type of lightning likes to play sports? Ball of lightning. A ball of lightning. Ball of lightning.
I got you.
Yeah.
A ball of lightning.
Yeah. Right. All right. Make sure everybody writes this down.
Yes,
these
we
are good.
keep notes because this not only is our test, it's
Yeah.
his story.
It is. What type of cloud is so lazy because it never gets up? AJ, do you know? Anybody? Brittany?
Stratus.
Fog. Fog.
So lazy it never gets up.
Yeah. Fog never gets
Oh,
up.
I
It just
get
lays
it.
there. Come on. Come on. And our last
It
but
does-
best.
Okay, last but best.
All right.
Yeah. Oh, we're at the
Why do mother hurricanes hate rainy days?
Why do they? Why do mother hurricanes? Mother hurricanes?
No. Why do mother kangaroos? That's a big difference.
Okay.
Why do
Why do
why-
mother?
Why do
kangaroos-
mother kangaroos?
Wow.
Woo, what am I on today? Why do mother kangaroos hate rainy days?
I'm at a loss. I don't.
Anyone. Why do mother kangaroos hate rainy days? Because then the children have to stay inside and play.
Okay.
I blew that one up.
Oh yeah, that was blowing up. All right.
We'll improve on that.
Yeah.
All
All right. So I got one for you. Just
Okay.
popped to the top
All right.
of my head.
Okay.
Where do the astronauts park their spaceships?
Meteors?
It's at the right. Thank you for just spoiling my joke completely. At the parking meteor. Thank you very much.
Jack, any jokes? Can you help us out?
Not that already stolen.
Not that they're already. We'll work on this. It's just a test. You'll get better.
Yes.
I mean, we need to make it like David Letterman in top 10 or something.
We could. We can check in with David and see if we'd be all right with. He'd be all right with that.
We got 3 minutes.
3.
So you.
Yes. Well, okay. So looking at severity, just so you all know, as we get closer to the weekend, this is for today. We're looking at severity of weather for tomorrow. You'll notice that it moves a little further up the eastern seaboard, going to push out through the New England states. Got a slight risk. That's where you've got an environment for strong thunderstorms, cloud to ground lightning, hail is possible, flash flooding, torrential rains, winds, a lot of wind and storms like that. They develop and then they fall apart. And as that energy goes down to the ground, it can't go any further than the ground, so it goes out. That's where you get the straight line winds from these types of storm. Day after tomorrow, looking even further into the future, get an idea of what we're going to be. We kind of settle out. So when we get closer to the weekend, end of the weekend, things start to get a little nicer for us, a little better all the way around.
Nice.
Yeah. So
All right.
we've probably got about a minute left.
We have a minute left. All right.
Yeah.
Well, we'll work on our jokes. And if you guys have any jokes,
Yeah.
send them in. Send them in the chat. Brittany will get them, and we'll read them.
Right.
We'll read them.
And
Now they have to be clean jokes
yeah, this is a
and
family
related to
show.
weather.
Or just, general. Or
Sure.
kangaroos.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. It has to be kangaroos, not hurricanes. Sorry. I didn't even have my glasses on.
Yeah. So like us, subscribe to us.
Yeah, please
Let
do.
us know how this is all going, and
Yeah, let
we'll
us
just
know.
continue to do this for you, because,
Our goal is in September to try to launch this.
yeah, so what is
Spread the
today?
word.
This is what, August something?
August 8th.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, June, July, August, September.
All right.
Uh-huh.
All right.
That's about right. I like it.
All right. See you all
All right.
later. Have a
Catch
good
you.
one. We'll catch you on the other side soon.
That we will.